Radios have been an excellent source of entertainment and news for many decades. There is a wide range of FM/AM radios on the market, which is why deciding which one to buy can be difficult. It can be very challenging to find the perfect radio with all the correct features for your needs, but we can help you to make your effort much more manageable. We have created a list of the best portable radios available on the market today. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Let's begin our list with the Sangean TB-100 digital rechargeable radio. It features simple operation and an aux-in jack to connect your external devices, making this radio suitable for indoor and outdoor work. This radio has a flexible pivoting antenna and digital PLL tuner for better reception, and has an AM/FM digital tuner with a large backlit LCD to ensure excellent visibility. It also has 10 easy touch memory presets for each of your favorite stations. The rugged design of this radio resists water, dust, and shock. Equipped with a 5-inch water-resistant speaker with high-quality full-range sound and provides sufficient audio quality in noisy environments. The durable ABS plastic construction makes it impact-resistant and is suitable to use on building sites. Further, it can be powered with 4 rechargeable or alkaline C batteries. However, the 2.7-meter-long rubber cable can quickly and easily be rolled up on the unit's back to avoid tripping over while at a job site. The GoldenHill portable radio offers AM from 520 to 1710 kHz and FM from 87.5 to 108 MHz. You can unwind with this radio by tuning into your favorite music stations, ball games, fishing trips, and other on-the-go uses. It weighs just under 5 ounces and measures a mere 2.6 inches by 4.6 inches. Its LED tuning indicator lights up when reception is straightforward and robust, with no complicated buttons that make you feel uncertain. Energy-efficient AA batteries power this portable radio, and high-quality analog radio will provide countless hours of enjoyment. The 2.25-inch speaker provides clear, dynamic sound, and its built-in headphone jack offers private listening. Another advantage is that its convenient slide rule dial on the side allows for quick one-finger tuning. Up next on the list, we have the Vondior VX radio. With this AM/FM portable pocket radio, you can unwind by tuning into your favorite music station, with zero distractions and no annoying touch screens with endless options. The large built-in speaker can quickly fill a room with your treasured songs or favorite baseball game. It has fewer buttons than any other modern device, yet includes everything you need: an on and off volume button, a mono earphone jack, a telescoping antenna, and a carrying strap for convenience. Plus, standing on a stable base can fill up a room with a clear sound, as it has a built-in speaker. On the other hand, having a sleek and chic look, it is small enough to fit in your hand, pocket, shirt, or pants pocket. With the portable FM/AM radio with AFC tuner from Panasonic, traditional technology has been updated. The tuner's auto-frequency control function has been designed to expand the range of AM radio reception to simplify tuning. In addition to expanding the range, auto-frequency control helps eliminate the need for precise tuning of an AM station by automatically selecting the nearest one on the dial. Its auto-frequency control reduces noise in the AM signal for an improved listening experience. It has been given a dial scale with large, easy-to-read numerals and a fluorescent pointer. This makes it possible to operate the radio in low-light situations, such as during a power outage. The Tivoli Model 1 Bluetooth AM/FM radio pairs new-age technology with old-school functionality. It features a simple interface, room-filling sound, and Bluetooth connectivity for Bluetooth-enabled devices. Its sensitive AM/FM tuner handles station identification and pours music through the speaker's 3-inch full-range long-throw drivers. This radio allows you to stream audio wirelessly through the integrated Bluetooth receiver, which uses advanced A2DP technology for high-quality wireless audio. It also includes a record output, so that you can attach recording devices and get back into creating mixtapes for yourself. The standard 30-foot reception range for Bluetooth and device pairing functionality is present here as well. Along with FHSS, this model features an auxiliary input and stereo headphone output, just in case you want to go old school with your peripherals, like a connected iPod or coil-connected large earpad headphones. Enjoy music from a wide variety of sources with the Bose Wave SoundTouch Music System 4. This internet-connected device lets you stream audio from Pandora, Spotify, iTunes, internet radio stations, and your music library over its Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet connections. It has a built-in CD player and AM/FM tuner that allows you to listen to physical media and your favorite radio stations. This system is controlled either by the included credit card-style infrared remote with 6 programmable presets, or by the SoundTouch app for PC, iOS, and Android. A large display with adjustable brightness and automatic nighttime dimming shows you precisely what's playing. However, dual alarm clocks with snooze make it a suitable replacement for your clock radio or smartphone alarm. We hope our video was informative and useful for you. Please show us your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel to watch more videos about the latest products.